I don't know. Biggs came in with a fucking hard on or something. He's got his black face and safety glasses.
As you can see right now, they dropped me off in a remote location. You see the glaciers. There's animals. Look at the animals, wild animals everywhere. I'm going to show you how to survive in a construction site. Now, if you come over here, you see the glacier. You see the water over here. You're going to have to get across this to get around the outside. This water's cold, so you have to act quick. Hypothermia sets in. Lose your limbs. Get outside here. Now, like you said, you're looking at about 2 feet deep right there. You gotta be quick, because it's gonna be cold.
Oh no!
Spot over here, right? It's our last spot right here. We're the best hero in the whole room.
Yeah, I'll take some. Silly motherfucker.
Alright, go take a bath, will you?
Let's go.
Looks muddy too. Yeah, you're a little muddy there.
That is fucking great, baby. That's the best thing I've seen. I swear to God. I swear to God.